I am as God created me. This really is quite a beautiful thing when you really recognize what it means and how you can use it essentially in any area of your life where you find any sense of difficulty. If you simply want to or choose to remember what it is that God created you to be, will help you break out of any sort of barrier that seems to be in your way. So as long as you're receptive to receiving the answer. So as this does mention that you are asking for it now, you are asking for it by saying this, by choosing this, by wanting to recognize it, that I am as God created me. I am his son eternally. It's pretty intense. So you want to be able to recognize in this sense of what it is that you actually are and what it is that, say, this barrier, this block, this difficulty that seems to be happening in your life, this problematic situation, is this what you are? Or are you involved in something that you cannot, say, surmount? Are you surmounted or are you surmounting? Now, I know it sounds interesting because as I use the word surmounting, it does sound like you're conquering it like war. But in this sense of recognizing who's in charge is what you have been created to be. So it's not in the way of insisting that it has to be in war and fighting and that you have to be screaming and bloody murder or that you are Spartan or anything like that. But recognizing that everything bows to, even you, bow to what you are. And I say even you because if you think I'm talking about your person, you're misunderstanding. The person is not what you actually are. You're not actually a body. And that's why I love that these lessons are actually getting into, I am not a body, I am free, for I am still as God created me. It is the most common saying throughout all of the lessons, and we haven't even gotten to them yet. But in the sense of recognizing, I am as God created me. I am his son eternally. You are his son eternally. And please don't get caught up, as we have mentioned it, don't get caught up on the masculine pronouns. Of course, son, daughter, makes no difference. It's actually, you are the essence of God. Whoa. I am as God created me. I am the essence. I am his essence eternally. I am his essence. That makes it sound like there's no difference between what he is and what you are. Maybe that's what I'm trying to say. It's a pretty crazy idea for the ego to understand. It cannot grasp it because likely it thinks it's kicking somebody else off the throne, or it's not worthy of it. How are you capable of doing anything besides getting off the couch, right, and cooking a corn dog, right? It's going to tell you every last little thing to say you are not worthy, you are not capable, you are nothing. And yet all of that is wrong because of what you are and who you are, in which God created you to be. Is this what God created you to be? You can ask yourself all throughout the day. You see yourself in this way. Is this what you want me to be, God? Is this how you want my life to be? Is this how you want my life to be? Because if it's not, intervene. Please, I give you full permission to intervene and change my life. If that is what you want for me. If not, I'll assume this is what you want. It's an interesting thing because you'll always be battling with the idea of being one with God and conversing with God and being separate from God, and the whole discussion makes no difference. All the thoughts are just supporting a specific purpose, and that reaching that truth, recognizing what that truth actually is. You can do it from any direction in which you think of yourself. If you think of yourself as separate, talk to God. If you think you are God, be God. Quit hiding. If you are, what is it that you see yourself? So yes, be it wholeheartedly. Take it to its extremity, whatever it is that you believe and understand. Because this is how God created you to be. Yes, we're all unique in this world, and we have different functions in this world, but it's all serving one purpose. Be who you are on the inside.